or as an entertainment. Okay? So as entertainment, what else? Ano pa? As a learning tool. Alright? Or your social life. TikTok, Facebook, Messenger. Okay. So, but let me tell you this. No? Earlier, we saw that our device, our gadgets, we use them, we treat them as our world. But then, there's another side to this. Alright? There's another side to this. And that side, no, nakita natin kanina mabuti pala because we use this as our communication, entertainment, what else?